Call now 203-437-4095. Emergency Locksmith in Milford. Locksmith, Connecticut is your local locksmith and security provider 24 hours, 7 days a week. We have years of experience in the field, and we are ready to meet all your locksmith and security needs in Milford. We are mobilized, and therefore we can serve you fast and at low rates. We offer residential, commercial, and automotive locksmith services in Milford. Our service includes professional locks and security hardware, locks rekeyed, master key systems, automotive locks serviced and replaced, emergency lockout service, and much more. Call now 203-437-4095. Tell us that you saw this video and get 12% off your next service call.